Yo, what's up everyone? It's Count James and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of data science, specifically how you can leverage Kaggle competitions to conquer the NHS Darzi dataset. This isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about using data to improve healthcare. And that's something I think we can all get behind. We're talking a full-on roadmap here. Think of it like leveling up your data science skills, one Kaggle competition at a time. Each competition type we're going to cover is like a training montage, building you up to tackle the real-world challenges hidden within the NHS dataset. So, whether you're a seasoned data scientist or just starting, stick around because this is going to be a wild ride through the world of Kaggle and its potential to revolutionize healthcare. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.
Alright, let's kick things off with the Tabular Playground Series, or TPS. Think of this as your data science bootcamp. You're working with structured data, the kind you find in spreadsheets, which, let's be real, is a lot of what you see with NHS operational data. You'll be tackling things like predicting patient readmission rates, or identifying potential bottlenecks in hospital workflows, essential stuff. We're talking fundamental machine learning concepts here, linear regression, decision trees, the classics. Don't let the beginner-friendly label fool you. TPS is where you build a rock-solid foundation. We're talking accuracy, efficiency, really understanding how to extract insights from raw data. Imagine being able to predict which patients might need follow-up care before it even becomes an issue. That's the power we're talking about here, and it all starts with mastering the basics. And the best part is, Kaggle provides you with clean, structured datasets, so you can focus on the good stuff, building those algorithms, and getting those models fine-tuned. Consider this your warm-up, your chance to get comfortable with the tools of the trade before we dive into the more complex challenges ahead.
Next up, we're diving into natural language processing with the NLP Disaster Tweets Challenge. You might be thinking, tweets? What does that have to do with healthcare? Think about all the unstructured text data within the NHS patient records. Doctor's notes, medical reports. It's a goldmine of information, but it's messy and complex. That's where NLP comes in. This competition will teach you to train algorithms to understand and analyze text data. We're talking sentiment analysis, topic extraction, even building chatbots. Imagine flagging critical information or translating medical jargon into plain English. That's the power of NLP, and it's a game changer in healthcare.
Now let's talk about time, specifically how to analyze and predict trends in healthcare data using time series analysis. Think about it, patient vitals, hospital admissions, even the spread of diseases all happen over time. Time series competitions on Kaggle will give you the skills to forecast these trends, spot anomalies, and ultimately make more informed decisions. Imagine being able to predict patient deterioration before it happens or anticipate future demands on hospital resources. We're talking about powerful techniques like ARIMA, Profit, even LSTM networks for those who want to dive into deep learning. You'll learn how to identify seasonality, trends, and those unexpected events that can throw a wrench in the best laid plans. This is where data science starts to feel a bit like time travel. You're not just analyzing what happened, you're predicting what's going to happen next. And in the world of healthcare, where every second counts, having those predictive insights can be the difference between a life saved and a life lost. So, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey through time, using data to not just understand the past, but to shape the future of healthcare.
Chapter 4, Data Wrangling 101, Conquering Missing Data and Categorical Variables. Real-world data is messy, full of gaps, inconsistencies, and annoying categorical variables. This chapter gives you the tools to wrangle that data, handle missing values, deal with categorical variables, and clean your data. Learn imputation, one-hot encoding, and feature engineering. You need a solid foundation of clean data for accurate, reliable, and useful models. We'll cover pitfalls, best practices, and tips to turn you into a data cleaning ninja.
Chapter 5. Beyond the spreadsheet, image tabular hybrids in healthcare. All right, let's kick things up a notch and talk about image data, because in healthcare it's not just about numbers and text, it's about those X-rays, Connecticut scans and MRIs that paint a more complete picture of a patient's health. Image tabular hybrid competitions on Kaggle will teach you how to combine these two worlds, extracting insights from both structured data and medical images. Imagine being able to predict the progression of a disease based on a series of X-rays or automatically identifying abnormalities in medical scans. We're talking about convolutional neural networks, transfer learning, and all the cutting-edge techniques that are revolutionizing medical imaging. You'll learn how to build models that can see patterns in images that would be impossible for the human eye to detect. This is where data science starts to feel like something out of a sci-fi movie. But trust me, the future of healthcare is all about integrating different data sources, and this is where you get ahead of the curve. Chapter 6. Now, it's time to get serious about prediction. We're talking about multivariate regression, a powerful technique for predicting continuous outcomes in healthcare. Think about things like predicting hospital readmission rates, estimating the length of stay, or even forecasting the cost of treatment. These are complex issues influenced by a multitude of factors, and that's where multivariate regression shines. You'll learn how to build models that take into account patient demographics, medical history, treatment plans, and a whole lot more to make those accurate predictions. We're talking about techniques like linear regression, polynomial regression, and even lasso and ridge regression for those who want to get into regularization. You'll learn how to identify the most important predictors, interpret model coefficients, and deal with things like multicollinearity. This is where data science gets real. We're not just talking about theoretical concepts. We're talking about building models that can have a tangible impact on healthcare outcomes. Chapter 7. All right, let's dive into the world of strategic decision-making with reinforcement learning. Now, you might be thinking, Connect X, rock, paper, scissors? What does that have to do with healthcare? Well, think about it. Healthcare is all about making optimal decisions in complex, often unpredictable environments. Reinforcement learning gives us the tools to build AI agents that can learn from their experiences and make those decisions in real time. Imagine AI-powered systems that can optimize hospital logistics, personalize treatment plans, or even assist doctors in making critical decisions during surgery. That's the power of reinforcement learning, and it's poised to revolutionize healthcare. We'll explore the fundamentals of reinforcement learning, from Q-learning to deep reinforcement learning techniques like deep Q networks. You'll understand how to design reward functions, build agents that can learn through trial and error, and ultimately, create AI systems that can outsmart even the most challenging healthcare problems. This is where data science starts to feel like you're building the future, one intelligent agent at a time.
Chapter 8. Okay, time to level up to the boss level of data science challenges, the RC abstraction and reasoning corpus. This is about pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence, moving beyond simple pattern recognition to true high-level reasoning. Think of it like this. The NHS dataset is incredibly complex, full of nuances and hidden relationships that even the most sophisticated algorithms struggle to grasp. ARC challenges you to build AI systems that can think abstractly, solve problems they've never seen before, and essentially, learn like humans do. We're talking about the cutting edge of AI research meta-learning, few-shot learning, and the quest for artificial general intelligence. It's about building systems that can understand context, make inferences, and adapt to new situations without being explicitly programmed. This is where data science transcends mere prediction and enters the realm of true understanding. It's about building machines that can not only analyze data, but also reason about it, learn from it, and ultimately help us unlock the full potential of healthcare data to improve lives.
So there you have it, your roadmap to mastering NHS data with Kaggle competitions. From the fundamentals of machine learning to the mind-blowing potential of AGI, you've got the tools, the knowledge, and hopefully the inspiration to dive in and make a difference. Remember, the NHS Darzi dataset isn't just a collection of numbers, It's a treasure trove of human stories, each data point representing a life that could be improved, a challenge that could be overcome. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep believing in the power of data science to revolutionize healthcare. Until next time, peace out.